students, I welcome you all to our brilliant channel Maths Nation. Students, if you have not subscribed Maths Nation, kindly subscribe it now. I promise to complete your syllabus. Would like to solve all your queries which you may kindly drop in the comment box. So dear students, in my last sessions we have discussed about some previous year questions of quadratic equations. Today we continue with the solution of quadratic equation by using Sridharacharya formula. By using Sridharacharya formula, we continue with quadratic equations. Quadratic equations by using Sridharacharya formula. Quadratic equations. General form of a quadratic equation is px is equal to ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then here a is coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of x and c is the constant. Then the Sridharacharya formula says that x equal to, then Sridharacharya formula says Sridharacharya formula says x equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. You know students, when we solve any quadratic equations, we get two solutions. First, x1 is minus b plus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Another solution, minus b square minus 4ac square root upon 2a. Here in quadratic equations we get two roots, x1 and x2. One is from minus b plus b square minus 4ac square root upon 2a, and another is minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Then suppose d is minus b square minus 4ac. Alpha equal to, first root alpha equal to minus b plus square root of d upon 2a, and beta second root is equal to minus b minus square root of d upon 2a. Then the roots of the equations, the types of roots you get depends upon the value of d. If d is equal to 0, then here alpha equal to beta. When d is equal to 0, the two roots alpha is equal to beta. They are all real roots. When d is less than 0, means d is a negative number, then you cannot get a negative number square root, then the roots are not real. Roots are not real number. But when d is greater than 0, the roots are real numbers. At first, just recall the conditions upon which the types of roots depends upon. Suppose d is equal to 0, then alpha equal to beta. Two roots are same. When d is greater than 0, then you get two distinct roots, alpha and beta, and are real roots. Alpha and beta are real roots. Then when d is less than 0, then alpha and beta are not real roots. Because you cannot get the square root of a negative number. When d is then the roots of the types of roots depends upon the value of d. When d is equal to 0, then alpha equal to beta. When d is greater than 0, then alpha and beta are two distinct real roots. When d is less than 0, then alpha beta are not real roots. Then here solve an example. Suppose here solve an example. The question is given. Solve an example. The question is given 9x square plus 7x minus 2 is equal to 0. 9x square plus 7x minus 2 is equal to 0. Then you have to find out the here a equal to 9, b equal to 7, c equal to minus 2. By using Sridharacharya formula, we get the roots of the equations. Here d is equal to b square minus 4ac, which is equal to 7 square minus 4 into 9 into minus 2. This is 49 plus 72, which equal to 49 plus 72, which equal to 121. 121 is greater than 0, means positive number. Hence, you get alpha and beta are two real roots. Alpha is equal to minus b plus square root of d upon 2a, which equal to minus 7 plus square root of 121 upon 2 into 9, which equal to minus 9 plus 11. Square root of 121 is 11 upon 18, which is equal to 4 upon 18 equal to 2 upon 9. Then another roots beta is equal to minus b minus square root of d upon 2a, which equal to minus 7 minus square root of 121 upon 2 into 9, which equal to minus 7 minus 11 upon 18, which equal to minus 18 upon 18 is equal to minus 1. Then by solving these equations, by solving the quadratic equation, by using Sridharacharya formula, we come to the conclusion that we get two roots where alpha is equal to 2 upon 9 and beta is equal to minus 1. Then another question. Students, I have a question is 2x square plus 5 root 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. In this questions, a equal to 2, b equal to 2, b equal to 5 root 3, c equal to 6. I have already told you, always try to practice more and more questions. Then can only you appear any questions which will be asked in your exam paper. Just recall the Sridharacharya formula. What is the formula says? How can you find out those roots of the quadratic equations? Alpha, the roots of the equations alpha equal to minus b plus square root of d upon 2a, and beta is equal to minus b minus square root of d upon 2a. Here d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Then here find out what is the value of d. d is 5 root 3 square, d square minus 4 into 2 into 6. Then 5 root 3 square, 5 5 ja 25, 3 ja 75, minus 4 2 ja 8, 6 ja 48, 75 minus 48, 27. 27 is a positive number greater than 0. Then here we get alpha and beta are two distinct real roots. Alpha is equal to minus b plus square root of 27 upon 2 into 2, which equal to, minus b means minus 5 root 3, which equal to minus 5 root 3 plus square root of 27 is 3 root 3 upon 2 2 ja 4. Minus 5 root 3 plus 3 root 3 is minus 2 root 3 upon 4. To cancel, this is minus root 3 by 2. Then alpha is equal to minus root 3 by 2. Then what is beta? Beta is minus b minus square root of d upon 2a, which equal to minus 5 root 3 minus 3 root 3 upon 4, which equal to minus 5 root 3 minus 3 root 3 minus 8 root 3 upon 4. Cancel. This is minus 2 root 3. I share the board because I share the page, because if we turn the page, then we have to recall all this. Then by solving these equations, I come to the conclusion that alpha is equal to minus root 3 by 2, where beta is equal to minus 2 root 3. We get two solutions, two distinct real solutions by using these two equations. Then next question. Then here next questions. Here another question says 25x square. You students please practice your exercise and ask me doubt in my comment box. Here the question is says 25x square plus 20x plus 7 is equal to 0. Then here what is A? A is equal to 25, B equal to 20, C equal to 7. Then here D equal to B square minus 4AC, which is equal to 20 square minus 4 into 25 into 7. This is 400 minus 700. This is minus 300. Minus 300 is less than 0. Here we cannot get, here we as D is less than 0, means D is a negative number. Then a negative number square root is not a real number, hence here we cannot get real roots, we get imaginary numbers. Then what is the formula says? Alpha is equal to minus B plus square root of D upon 2A, which is equal to minus 20 plus minus 300 square root upon 2 into 25, which equal to minus 20 plus minus 300 square root upon 50. Then another beta is equal to minus B minus D square root upon 2A, which equal to minus 20 minus 300 square root upon 2 into 25, which equal to minus 20 minus 300 square root upon 50. Here we cannot get real roots because D is a negative number. We cannot get real roots of a negative number. By solving these two equations, we come to the conclusion that alpha and beta are imaginary roots of the equations. Then another question. Then here another questions. Always try to practice more and variety of questions. Here the question is x minus 1 upon x plus 2 plus x minus 3 upon x minus 4, which equal to 10 by 3, and the condition is given x is not equal to minus 2 and 4. Then here you take the LCM, x plus 2 and x minus 4. Then the LCM is x plus 2 into x minus 4. Then here x minus 1 into x minus 1. So x minus 1 into x minus 4. Then plus x minus 3 into x plus 2, which equal to 10 by 3. Then here x minus 1 into x minus 4 multiply, you get x square minus x minus 4x plus 4. Then here multiply x plus 3 into x plus 2, you get x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 upon, you multiply x plus 2 into x minus 4, you get x square plus 2x minus 4x minus 8, which equal to 10 by 3. Then use the cross multiplication. Then here take the like terms near, you get 2x square minus x minus 4x minus 5x minus 3x minus 8x plus 2x minus 6x. Then 4 minus 6 is minus 2 upon x square minus 2x minus 8 is equal to 10 by 3. Then use cross multiplication, x into 2x square minus 6x minus 2 is equal to 10 into x square minus 2x minus 8. Then here, please students, just remember this. We will solve this in next page because we cannot here lack of space. We will solve in next page. Please remember this. Here we get this 3 into 2x square, 3 into 2x square minus 6x minus 2 is equal to 10 into x square minus 2x minus 8. Then open the bracket, you get 6x square minus 18x minus 6 is equal to 10x square minus 20x minus 80. Then take it all to the bring the RHS to LHS. Then this is minus 10x square plus 20x plus 80 is equal to 0. Then 6x square minus 10x square minus 4x square minus 18x plus 20x plus 2x minus 6 plus 80 plus 74 is equal to 0. Then here you then take 2 common, you get minus 2x square plus x plus 37 is equal to 0. Then take minus common, minus 2x square minus x minus 37 is equal to 0. Here a equal to 2, b equal to minus 1, c equal to minus 37. Then b equal to b square minus 4ac, which equal to minus 1 square minus 4 into 2 into minus 37. Here this is 1. Here this is 1. 4 2 is 8. 8 into 37. When you multiply, you get 296 plus 296. Then we get this is 297, which is a positive number greater than 0. Here d is greater than 0, means we get 2 distinct roots, alpha and beta, and 2 distinct real roots. Then what is alpha? Alpha is equal to minus b plus square root of d upon 2a, which is equal to minus b, means here b is equal to minus 1, so plus 1 plus square root of 297 upon 2 into a here 2 into 2 4. Then we get 1 plus square root of 297 upon 4. Alpha we get, this is alpha. Then beta we get is 1 minus square root of 297 upon 2 into 2, which equal to 1 minus square root of 297 upon 4. Then by solving these two equations, we come to the conclusion that alpha is this and beta is this. Okay. Then next questions. I have already told you students, please practice variety of questions. Here the question says p square x square plus p square minus q square x minus q square is equal to 0. Here a equal to p square, b equal to p square minus q square, and c equal to minus q square. Then you get here d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Then d is equal to p square minus q square square root minus 4 into p square into minus q square, which is equal to p square minus q square whole square plus 4 p square q square. Then this is this is p fourth plus q fourth minus 2p square q square plus 4p square q square, which is equal to, look at here, p fourth plus q fourth plus 2p square q square. This means this is a plus b whole square. This is equal to p square plus q square whole square. Here we get d is equal to p square plus q square whole square. Then square root of d is equal to p square plus q square. P square plus q square. Then what is alpha? We will solve this in next page. Please remember this. Here by solving these equations we get d is equal to p square plus q square then d square root of d is equal to square root of d is equal to p square plus q square. Then here alpha is equal to minus b plus square root of d upon 2a. Here minus b is minus p square minus q square plus p square plus q square upon 2 into p square. This is minus p square plus q square plus p square plus q square upon 2p square. P square minus p square plus p square cancel. We get 2q square upon 2p square. 2 cancel. We get alpha is equal to q square upon p square. In the same way we get beta is equal to minus b minus square root of d upon 2a, which is equal to minus of p square minus q square minus p square plus q square upon 2p square, which is equal to minus p square plus q square minus p square minus q square, plus q square minus q square cancel upon 2p square. This is minus 2p square upon 2p square cancel. This is minus 1. By solving these equation we come to the conclusion that we get two roots of the quadratic equations where alpha is equal to q square by p square and beta is equal to minus 1. So dear students, today this much. Please note down. In my next session we will continue with this.